Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing the S20 Ultra 5G in 2020 and I'll be installing a case and a protector for the screen as well. So the first things first, let's unbox this thing, and in the case, right, we have the phone which is looking nice and shiny, and then up here in the case you have the paperwork and everything in here. We're gonna leave this back in the case, and then in the phone thing you have the charger and the cable, which nowadays you don't get none of this in the new phones. You just get the cable. You don't get the brick, but some phone case you do get the brick, but I recommend getting the USB type C, which would be the better one. So that's all it is in the case: charger, case, and that's it. And then you get the phone. So that's all it is. So I'll show you around the phone a bit. The phone, as you can see, is very nice. It comes with this nice design on it. It has this amazing looking phone, with the controls on the side. You get your SIM ejector and everything on the side as well. And then you have your USB type C on here. You get your triple camera with the, as you can read it on there, with the 100 times zoom. It's a very glossy phone, as you can tell, because it reflects everything there on the camera. Very, very glossy phone, and if you put it on an angle, a certain angle, you can see the square fingerprint reader that is inside the screen, which is pretty sick, but you need to like angle it to a certain angle for you to be able to see it. So this is the phone. This is about it. We're gonna install the screen protector on there, and then we're gonna turn it on for the first time. So we've installed the screen protector, as you can see. And as I said, the hydrogen screen protector ones, I think this is hydrogen if I'm not mistaken, are better screen protectors because they repair themselves, which is a pretty good screen protectors. And they get to, like, if there's any scratch or anything, they start to repair themselves. They start to repair by themselves. So I would recommend, even though the glass screen protectors are pretty good, that's what they are the best ones, I would say. So that's it. We're gonna put it in the case. As I said before, the case is like a hard shell case. So it's a 360 case, which, as you can see, you need to remove each and every shell to be able to put it in. See, you remove everything for you to be able to put it in. So the phone goes in. So you can see whole 360, and then later the shell goes in, which you try to be to make it not. So put the phone in first, because if not it looks like, there it is. We put the phone in first, and then we put the case on top, because that way we don't damage the front of the screen. And then now we just to click everything in. So we put this in, click this in, click this in, click everything in, and then there you go. Right, now this side. Put this up there. Put it down. And as you can see, this is the phone with the case. and then the button works pretty well. You won't be able to access your SIM card, but it should be pretty straightforward. And let's turn it on now. So because this is the first time turning it on, we need to do the account and everything. And I just wanted to show you some of the, what you can do when you get your phone, because these phones are very expensive, and it's better for you to just protect them straightforward when they come out of the case. So that's it. This is it. I'll set the phone up and everything. Thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me if you want to see me setting up this phone. And until next time, thank you very much. Subscribe. Peace.